Hello, my name is Bill, and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. With all the crisis going on, the global crisis, and with the Luna right there that we saw a minus 100% correction, regulations will kick in. Expect them for crypto market in order to protect the customers, in order to protect people that are trading. Okay, so what we are going to see is regulations. I do not think that the regulations will bring such a harm into the cryptocurrency market. What I mean by that is they will be helping, actually, some of them, they will be helping customers, and of course, they will be going on to make the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market into a position where we will have more and more adoption. Okay, so we are going to have more and more adoption with this. The regulations are going to just put a law, okay, into the crypto market, and this is not as bad as it seems like. But anyway, let's start with Bitcoin chart right here. What I'm expecting from Bitcoin is the 31.7 to 31.8k. All right, so therefore this is the next price target for Bitcoin. The fact that we closed above the 28.7k, as we always talked about, and the fact that on the 4-hour frame if we go there, we have gone and finding the support line right here. You can see, okay, 28.7k. We've gone here and we find buying pressure again. It is good. All right, it is good, and it seems that to me personally, we have many chances into going to the 31.8k, which will be our very important resistance line. You will see why if I go to the weekly frame on the baseline, if we go all the way up here, okay, so you can see, all right, that this is the line that connects the bottom and the bearish trend to the bullish trend. This line right here, the 31.8k, you can see it was the low back on 12th July as well on the weekly frame. Okay, so I do not know why not most of the people actually do not mention this line. It is very important, and of course the 28.7k as a major support level line. All right, so therefore what we are going to see and what we are going to do for Bitcoin is the 31.7k to 31.8k, and after we do not know for sure what will happen. Global regulators, of course, are likely to launch a joint body within the next year to better coordinate cryptocurrency regulations, said a top executive of the International Organization of Securities Commissions. Okay, so we are going to see more regulations, and because we have these crazy dumps, because we might be having more suicides coming in because of the minus 100% that Luna had, okay, many people lost their money. We need regulations. Actually, the authorities say that yes, you need regulations. We need regulations in order to protect these people and to safely trade without any huge risks. That's why I'm saying that. Okay, so we are on the cusp of something new, something important, something that requires a lot of work from us. Use your ingenuity, use your technology to solve the regulatory problem instead of telling us to go away, that you do not want to engage with the regulatory problem. The Secretary General asked the crypto industry to engage with regulators, stating, okay, so perhaps we are going to have some people who do not like these regulations, but I think that regulations will kick in, and of course they will bring the market into a more controlled way, especially for the traders. Okay, these are to protect mostly the traders, the normal people that are trading into the crypto exchanges. This is what I'm thinking about mostly, and after they will affect some others as well, the mining and so on. Okay, so for Ethereum against USDT chart, this could mean that we could go potentially even higher to the 2.2k, in which we will likely find a little bit of a resistance level once we approach the 2.2k. For Ethereum, that is the case, and I think that we are going to go there. In the meantime, we have an overbought on the stochastic side on the 4-hour frame, and this is in general not good, but perhaps we are going to focus now on the price targets to the 2.2k. BTC dominance rate here, you can see that the weekly close will be below the top trend line, and this is something good, because actually what we are going to have is the Bitcoin's dominance losing its position, and of course the altcoin's dominance begins. Okay, right there, this is what I was waiting all this time from 14 March, to be honest with you. I thought that we could go there sooner, but we had a correction going on, and we went there on 9 May, okay, around there. And right now we are going to close the weekly with the correction going on throughout the BTC dominance. We are going down here, and eventually this is a descending triangle. That means the BTC's dominance will get even lower into the next weeks, because we are on the weekly frame. Okay, so right here for Bitcoin, this is the target that you need to be careful about, the 31.7k. I'm going to the candlestick patterns, and after, in case everything goes good and we can close above the 31.8, this will be extremely bullish, and we can go to the 33.3 and 34.9k. The 34.9 is a crazily strong resistance level as well. But first, let's move to the 31.8k, discuss a little bit about the price targets right there and what is the price going to do around here. And of course, if we can close above them, this will be pretty bullish and pretty nice for Bitcoin as well. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, patreon/mindyourcrypto, and of course, see you soon with many more videos. Have a fantastic Sunday. Bye.